Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is send new LeadSquared lead a welcome message on SMS. Now suppose guys you are a business owner and to collect all your leads and to nurture them you are using a CRM application just like LeadSquared. Now you want that whenever a new lead is added in your LeadSquared CRM, you want to send them a SMS as a welcome message. Now the manual process of getting the lead data of the lead from LeadSquared and manually sending them SMS messages as a welcome message can be very much repetitive and time consuming for you. So in this video, I came up with an awesome automation by which whenever a new lead is created, a new lead is added in our LeadSquared CRM, automatically a SMS from Twilio, from your Twilio account, a welcome message will be sent to that very same lead who is added. Interesting, right? Now here you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can create this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So after reaching this dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as LeadSquared to Twilio. LeadSquared to Twilio. And click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new lead which are adding in our LeadSquared account in Pabbly Connect. Then after that, using Pabbly Connect, we will send the data of that new lead which is now added in our LeadSquared account to Twilio, and then using Twilio, we will send the SMS to that very same user or very same newly added lead. So here in trigger window, in choose app, we have to search for LeadSquared first. So let's search for LeadSquared. Then after that, it is asking us for the trigger event. So here in trigger event, we will select new lead. After selecting a trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now we will use this webhook URL to make the connection between LeadSquared and Pabbly Connect. So just copy this webhook URL from here and follow the help desk written below over here. So after copying this webhook URL, we'll go to the dashboard of our LeadSquared account. So this is my dashboard. Then in this dashboard, on the right top corner, we can see profiles option. Just hover on it and click on settings. Then after that, on the left side, we can see there are several options over here, out of which we will click on API and webhooks. Just click on it and select webhook over here. And after selecting it, just click on create. So after clicking on create, we can see there is a dialog box over here. And in this dialog box, the first thing it asks us is the event. So in the drop down, we can see there are lots of events over here, out of which we will select lead creation. Then after that, it is asking us for the webhook URL. So here we will select HTTPS and then we will paste the very same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect and remove the HTTPS extension from here. Just remove it from here. After placing the webhook URL, we don't have to make any changes over here. Just click on save. And we can see that the webhook is saved. So guys, we have successfully connected our LeadSquared account with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, we'll get back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is showing us waiting for webhook response, which means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get the response, some data of new lead creation from LeadSquared. So let's create a new lead, a test lead in our LeadSquared account. So we'll get back to LeadSquared account and on top we have an option named as leads. Just hover on leads and click on manage leads. After clicking on manage leads, on the right side, we have an option named as quick add leads. Just click on it. And here it is asking us some details of the new lead which we want to create. So here in this field, in this dialog box, I'll enter the details of a dummy lead. For example, the name is dummy name. dummy name it is. Let's enter a dummy email address. So this is a dummy email address. Then a phone number. So let's enter a test phone number, a dummy phone number as well. And then it is asking us for the website. So let's ignore the field for the website. Or should I enter pabbly.com? Pabbly.com. And the lead source. So here in lead source, for example, I'll select social media. And just click on save and add new or save and close. Let's enter the country as well, the country code of the phone number, and click on save and close. So just now we have successfully created or added a new lead in our LeadSquared account. Now because we have connected Pabbly Connect with LeadSquared, the response or the data of this very same lead which we have added named as dummy name will be also captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's get back to Pabbly Connect workflow. And yes guys, we can see that in our trigger window in our workflow, we have received a response over here. And in this response, we will find the details of that very same lead which we have just now created in our LeadSquared account. So we have the very same first name, same last name, same email address, same origin quick add form, and same phone number as well. And the website and the source of lead too. So guys, the step 1 of setting up this automation is now successfully completed. We have successfully connected our LeadSquared account with Pabbly Connect, and we have captured the data of new lead created in our LeadSquared account inside Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we want to send this very same lead an SMS, a message. So we will be using Twilio in this video to send the SMS. So for that, to send the SMS, just scroll down and click on this add action step button. And here in choose app, search for Twilio. Twilio it is. After selecting Twilio, in action event, we have to select send SMS message. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Twilio account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we require the account SID of our Twilio account and the authorization token. So how we are going to get this? So to get the account SID and authorization token of your Twilio account, just go to the dashboard of your Twilio account and scroll down. And at this very same page, very same home page, we'll find the account SID and authorization token. Just copy the account SID from here, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And it is asking us account SID one more time, so we'll paste it over here as well. Then once again we'll go back, we'll copy the authorization token and once again paste it over here. And after entering all these details, just click on save. And yes guys, we can see that our Twilio account is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. After connecting the account, it is asking us for the body of the SMS, that what is the SMS we want to send to these users or the new leads which are added in our LeadSquared account. So I want my message to start as hello. And after hello, I want to mention the name of the lead to whom I have just now added in our LeadSquared account. So I wanted to add the name over here. And we have received the name or the response for the name of the lead, the first name of the lead from LeadSquared inside Pabbly Connect in our trigger window, as we can see over here. So we have to basically map this very same name, very same data over here in this body of SMS field. And the process of mapping guys is very simple. Simply click on this field. I wanted to add the name after hello. So after hello, I'll just click here. And from the drop down below, we can see all the responses which we have received from LeadSquared. And out of all these responses, select the response of first name over here. Then I want my message to be sent as. So guys, this is the kind of message which I want to send to the new leads which I'm adding in my LeadSquared account. So after hello, there will be the name of that lead and the message says, welcome to Pabbly. We hope you'll like our product. Just a second. You will like our product. If you need any help, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. And thank you. So after creating the body of the SMS, it is asking us for the sender's number. Now to get the sender's number, we will have to go back to our Twilio account, the homepage of our Twilio account, and we can see here we can see the Twilio phone number. So this is our sender's number. Just copy it, get back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And we have pasted the sender number. Then at last, we have to enter the recipient mobile number as well, to whom we want to send the message. So the lead which you have added in our LeadSquared account, we have received the response of that very same lead in Pabbly Connect and in our trigger window. And in that response, we have also received the phone number of that very same lead. So we have to basically map this very same phone number over here in this recipient mobile number field. So just click here. And from the drop down below, we can see all the responses of LeadSquared. Just select the response of phone number. And after entering all these details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And yes guys, we can see that after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that our SMS which we have created, the body of the SMS over here, this SMS is now successfully sent to this very same number. The same number which we have added in our LeadSquared account while adding this lead. So guys, the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Let's check whether this number has received the SMS or not. And yes guys, as you can see on your screen, we have successfully received this SMS on this number. So this SMS says hello dummy, means the very same first name which we have added while creating the lead in LeadSquared. Welcome to Pabbly. We hope you will like our product. If you need any help, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Thank you. So we can see that this is the very same body of the SMS which we have created, which means the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. Now after all this, let's test this automation in real time once. We'll get back to LeadSquared and this time we'll create another lead. For example, I'll just click on this quick add lead, give this lead a name, for example, test, first name is test, last name is, for example, name, I'll enter name, a dummy name. Then I'll enter a dummy email address as well. The dummy email address, let's enter the phone number and website. So let's again the very same website and lead sources, for example, direct traffic. Just click on save and close. So just now we have successfully created a test lead, a dummy lead in our LeadSquared account named as test name. And we will see that as this lead is created, automatically, instantly, a SMS message from Twilio will be sent to this very same user's phone number. So let's check SMS inbox of the number which we have entered over here. And yes guys, as we can see, a very same SMS body which we have created in our Pabbly Connect workflow is sent to this very same number which we have added in this lead, which we have added while creating this lead in LeadSquared. The SMS says hello test, the very same post name. Welcome to Pabbly. Hope you will like our product, and rest of the message. So guys, we have tested this automation in real time, that the automation which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. So after creating this automation, let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow inside Pabbly Connect, and after that, in that workflow, in our trigger window, we have selected LeadSquared and new lead was our trigger event. Then after that, using a webhook URL, we have connected our LeadSquared account with Pabbly Connect. Then we have created a test lead or added a test lead in our LeadSquared account so that we can get the details or the data of new lead adding in our LeadSquared account inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, using Pabbly Connect, we send that very same data to Twilio so that using Twilio, we can send SMS message to very same lead which we have just now added in our LeadSquared account automatically. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.